pwede kong i-alok. Then ito nga, eventually, lumabas tong Unified Products and Services. So, in-offer namin, sir, na franchise business. So, we pioneer the one-stop shop service in the Philippines. Paano kayo yung mga ordinaryong tao? Anong business yung pwede nating ilagay sa mga taong may cellphone? Lahat ng may cellphone ngayon, pwedeng mag-load. Diba? Pwedeng magbayad ng bills. Pwedeng mag-remit. Pwedeng bumili ng ticket. Lahat ng yon nilagay namin ngayon sa app. Then, nilabas namin ngayon yung home-based business namin. Na katulad mong ordinaryong tao, na wala ka pang 600,000, na may cellphone ka, pwede mong simulan yung business mo. So, nag-deploy kami, Philippines. Actually, pumutok talaga yung concept namin. Wala po kaming partner na hindi kami top-notcher. Pwede kang magnegosyo sa Unified Products and Services.
I'm catching feelings, wish I could walk away now, but I just don't know how. These feelings keep getting in the way, Girl, I wish I could walk away now, but it's much too late now. Feelings get in the way, yeah. Oh, can't believe I'm catching feelings. No, can't believe I'm catching feelings. When we out and I see him texting you, damn, I feel like a fool, but I know it ain't fair cause I don't belong to you. No.
Pinili ko nga pala itong Unified Payment Center kasi lahat ay nandito na meron tayong mga bills payment, saka mga ticketing, e-loading, lifetime business, and then transferable lahat ang mga transaction natin. We are located here in Bunao Matatalay, Tarlac City.